For the last 10 years, I've been going from doctor to doctor with my vision problem. And I even saw a specialist in Toronto. He suggested an injection, an implant, a capsule that would dissolve behind my eye to reduce the aneurysms. I had injections before, it didn't help. I went with that injection, the implant. It made no difference whatsoever. Because of my aneurysms, I have no central vision. And I have another aneurysm in my left eye also, but it's smaller. And my specialist told me that if I strain my eyes at all, the aneurysms could burst and I could go blind. So then I decided to do a little research, and then I saw Dr. Luc on Facebook, and I'm thinking, if everything is connected to the central nervous system, maybe something is affecting my eyes that way, and if he can fix it, what have I got to lose? I have no central vision now, and so if he can at least get rid of that big black spot or stop the progression of my eye loss, it would be great. So then I booked, and it's history. I'm doing good. My life is a lot better now because I don't struggle so much trying to do things. I see so much better. I'm more at peace with myself because I'm not afraid of going blind. Because if your aneurysms burst behind your eyes, that's it, lights out. I was told that, and what are you going to do if you go blind? I know there are a lot of blind people out there, but if I can prevent it, I'm more than happy to go that path and just say, yeah, I'm trucking down this road and I'm just going to do it. And when I used to look at someone and only see the top of their head with my right eye because the central vision was all gone, and now all I don't see is the tip of their nose, and you know what? I don't miss that so much. It's all good, but at least I see better, so much better. Central vision is very, very important in someone's life, and there's no way I would miss an appointment. No way I would miss one session. I don't care if I'd have to leave my holidays to come back from my appointment, because it's made all the difference in the world. I feel better about myself. I'm happier. And I tell a lot of people where I work too. Mm-hmm. Yep. You know, they say, oh, you look so happy today. Yep. I can see you clearly. It's all good. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I wouldn't do it any other way. And I would recommend it to anyone. Come and see Dr. Luc. Dr. Peachnut. That's my man.
That's awesome.
And I will follow through, and I will maintain my treatments, because I don't want to regress. I don't want to go back. And I was just hoping that my eyes wouldn't get worse, but they've gotten so much better. Can't ask for anything better than that.
Yeah.
Like, that's like giving a second chance at life. Like, I don't need an eye implant.
That's huge.
My eyes are great.
Mm-hmm.
And that just means more trouble for anybody that's around me. It's just going to be too bad. They're going to have to deal with it. It's going to be good. Life is good.
That's good.
Yeah. It doesn't hurt.
No?
No. You hear click, 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 like somebody's trimming your toenails, and then it's over. Okay, you're good to go.
That's it.
That's it. You're there 5 minutes. And next thing you know, your eyes are better. You're so happy, because it's like, wow, I never thought I would get to this point, to have my eyes back. And I love looking at eye candy, whatever it may be. Luc doesn't feel like a doctor at all. When he walks in the room, feels like you've known him forever. He's not a stuffy old shirt. He has a good sense of humor. He listens. He's a very good listener. He's very gentle. Everybody walks out better than when they walked in. They're smiling. They're happy. They look content. They look like it was worth coming in today. I don't know. It's a nice visit. It's a visit. It doesn't feel like a doctor's visit. And it works. It's better than a doctor's visit because there's no pills to go and buy after that. It's just natural. It's like the way God wants it. And that's how he does it.
It's beautiful.
So I think he's gifted somehow. Don't know how. I'm going to figure it out though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I'll get to the bottom of it. Now that I can see better? Oh, jeez. I'll figure you out.
There you go. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, there you go. That's it.
That's it. Well,
Now
my
that
eyes
you-
are pretty good right now.
Now that you can see it.
Now that I can see what I'm doing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah, no. You ready?
I told you already.
No.
You weren't listening.
I'm not, no, I
Typical
wasn't.
male.
Yeah, exactly. Right? I wasn't listening. Typical male.
Am I not out of the picture?
No, you stay where you were. You're not out of the picture at all.
Oh. How long is this going to take?
Like 2 seconds.
Okay.
You gotta be somewhere?
Nope. I just got to get out of here.
I just want to get the hell out. I don't need to be anywhere, but I don't want to be here.
Yeah.
So right now,
You think you're going to suck me in this a second time?
no, I mean a second video in like 10 seconds from now.
Oh, okay. And then,
Fine.
God help us if there's another one of me out there.
Exactly.
Jesus.
But,
Oh, okay.
you're just telling me.
Oh, there's me right there.
There you go. Exactly.
Yeah, I'm the red one. That's
Right.
me. Yeah. God, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. It's crazy. Yeah. I hate cameras. I always have.
Just tell me your story. You know your story. That's the
I
thing.
know.
It's just your story.
It's just to get going.
You don't have to remember your lines. You don't
No,
have.
there's no lines.
Well, that's
it's
what
the
I mean.
truth.
Yeah. So just.
Yeah, it's coming.
That's all.
Okay. Can it be blocked from my computer? I don't want to see it.
Wow.
No,
That was awesome.
it's embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing.
For me, it is.
You're changing someone's life.
I hope so.
You're doing it for someone else who's suffering. Once you just get there and go, someone is watching this who is struggling right now, and this is going to be a blessing for them to watch this video.
Hopefully.
It will. It's going to
Yeah.
give someone else hope. Because there's nothing worse than that feeling of having no hope
And being afraid.
and being afraid.
It's scary.
When
to
a
go
doctor
blind.
says, you may be going down this
You
path.
could go blind.
So-
That is very scary.
So to find a solution and go, holy crap,
Mm-hmm.
don't you want someone else who's scared right now to find this solution? They won't find it if they don't come across things like
The information.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
so that's what I find anytime I shoot videos, because I'm the same. I don't like to stand and stare at a camera. I mean, it's not a natural thing, right?
No.
But I sit down right here on this couch and I literally close my eyes and I just picture people suffering, people being afraid, people not knowing where to turn. And that's what gets me in that zone. I'm like, you're doing this to change someone's life, right? And when I get there, then I'm like, boom, let's roll. I gotta do this. Because if someone was drowning right now, you wouldn't be sitting there going,
On the fence.
I don't know if I should throw a life jacket.
Gee,
Oh, what
or
if
should I get my clothes wet? Oh, Jesus, or my new
Right.
jeans? I don't know if I should.
Like, there'd be no
Yeah.
hesitation,
Well,
right?
no.
You jump in, you throw
Or
a life jacket.
if a dog was hurt,
Anything.
don't
So-
care how full of blood he is, you just grab that dog and
Oh,
take
for
it to the
sure,
vets. Like, you just don't
Yeah.
let him suffer.
So that's why I'm saying just the same thing here. There's someone who's struggling right now with maybe not a visual issue, maybe
Could be
it's,
anything else.
and just this story, they'll sit there and
They
go,
can fix that, maybe they can
Right.
do this.
exactly, right? And so that's why you don't know to what extent this story is going to change someone's life.
Yeah.
And I've had so many of those patients come in lately where they're saying, you know what, I came across a video on YouTube and it was a video about vertigo, but I struggle with XYZ, which has nothing to do with vertigo.
Or when they have the ringing in their ears.
Well, that's the vertigo, the
Yeah.
tinnitus, all that. But I just had someone recently who said, I came across your vertigo video,
Yeah.
but I'm here because I struggle with Crohn's. And I was sitting there and I said,
The connection is, wow.
and the connection in
Yeah.
their mind was, if he can help this guy with
Absolutely.
something weird like that, maybe he can help me. Even though it's not the same story, it gave them hope. right?
Well, yeah, because Crohn's to me is something that's not working correctly in your body. So
That's
why
the
is it
way-
not fixed?
That's the way all of these things
Yeah.
are. Whether it's Crohn's, colitis, IBS, visual issues, headaches, allergies, asthma. It's an imbalance in the body. And when I bring about balance by adjusting you and the central nervous system starts to work well, then healing takes place, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's just, I want people to have hope. And you do too.
I don't give a rat's
I don't give a rat's
about
ass about people. As long as I'm healing.
Hey, I'm doing it.
So, yeah.